Hey everyone, Anna Brandt here. I wanted to show you my latest collection. It's my Bokeh Collection. It has 10 images and it's meant to be used in a photo, but you can use it in Photoshop as well. So you can see this before and after of this image. This is the original, this is the after. You can see in this one, the before and the after. Before, after, before, after. It's super simple. All you do is click on your image and then you're going to go to backgrounds, and what you want to do is load the backgrounds once you purchase them. So once you purchase them, you'll see that there are 10 different bokeh images, okay? And so you'll install them. Once you do, they're here, okay? And so then, like anything, you can just click and look at them, and you can go over here, and that looks really weird, right? So you just come down, you can take the opacity down, you can change to subject or connecting objects, which is of course my favorite. This we're just gonna do a little bit. So if we look at the before and after, you can see it just kind of adds some kind of glitter around here. So that's a very mild example. So here's another one, and then we'll come and take a look and think, okay, I think I want this one. Then we're gonna arrow back, and then I like to do center alignment, size it all the way up. You can change whether it's vertical, horizontal, and get the placement right. You can choose your retain original shadows. You can do subject only, related subjects. Here there's really not much related, and there you go. So very simple. Of course, you can make all of your adjustments and blending modes and opacity and everything here as you wish. So it's just 10 simple images that can transform some of your existing images. There's the before, there's the after, there's the before, there's the after. You can check them out in my Stan store.